So after ordering food and eating out one full week, and I saw my account balance this week, I've started to learn how to cook. Because one plate of rice and chicken, 5 to 6,000 naira. Fear God, Lagos restaurant, fear God. So let's learn how to cook. Well, maybe not rice and chicken yet, sha. We have to cut our quota according to our side. Somebody told me that I should try to incorporate new ingredients to the recipes I already know. I went to the mall the other day and I saw this interesting recipe. When I asked the cashier what they were, the woman was like, I could use it to make fried eggs, make sauce, to make stew, to make indomie. As soon as she said indomie, I said, sold. You got me there. Handcuff me, take me away. You have caught me. Me that they use indomie to sweat for me. Say no more, madam, I'm gonna buy them. I'm gonna be using this to make my indomie today. So let's make indomie with Addmie. This is what I did here. Let's make indomie with Addmie. I feel like I should go into rap. This is our indomie right now. Very, very basic indomie. Let's get our Addmie. They have crayfish. The Igbo in me was happy when I saw this crayfish because I cannot cook anything without crayfish. I think I should add this one. So this one, they say it has chicken chunks. So let's add chicken chunks. Moment of truth. Our indomie you have done. Cannot lie. For an indomie that I only added the indomie spices and this Addmie, this indomie looks very rich. It's not enough for it to look good. It also has to taste good, you know. I'm tasting carrots. I'm tasting spring onions. I'm tasting crayfish. I'm tasting pepper. I'm tasting sweet corn. I'm tasting chicken. All in this indomie. And the chicken chunks are actually here. See how rich this indomie is. Addmie is a 10 out of 10. Addmie is a 10 out of 10. Oh yeah, come and take the last one.